what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start going on the Ford, please help me subscribe, click that notification bell so every time I have a new video you guys be updated. But I'm working on the 2018 Ford Fusion 2.0 hybrid, and I'm working on the engine torque rod that's at the bottom of the tranny. Now this is the bottom mount. It's in on the transmission side. You're gonna take out the 18 millimeter, the 215s right here, and then there's a 15 right here. It's going in here, and there's another 15 right there. So right now the bolt is stuck on the rack, and you gotta. So if it's stuck on the rack, you gotta put a pry bar in, and then pry the transmission forward that way, and then you can reach it out. So once you take all the bolt out, you move it to the side and take it out. There you go. Take this out, and putting in my new mount. This is the new mount. That's the part number I'm using. And I'll put it back the same way. So you gotta slide them in and line it up with the tranny. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. There you go. Put my two bolts in the back, one here, one in the back, and put the 18 millimeter bolt in here. And for the back bolt, you put the pry bar in, pry it forward, and put the bolt in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, for real. There you go, I got the bolt in. For that bolt, I use a wrench and just tighten it down. And then once you tighten down that bolt, put the black clip back right here, and plug the wire back. It's the same thing right here, this little black clip right here. I tighten everything down. The two outside bolt, 18 millimeter, the bolt in the back right there, and put your black clip and put the wire on it.